How to download Steam on PC 2025. I know a lot of you guys want to play games that may be exclusive to Steam like Counter-Strike, so in this video I'm going to teach you exactly how you can download them. How to download Steam on PC for free. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you're going to type in gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025/11/sd.html and you want to hit enter. Once the site loads, you want to press on Steam download and it's going to redirect you to Steam's website. From here, you want to press on install Steam and Steam is going to start downloading on your computer. Once it's done installing, this is what you're going to see. From here, you want to press on Steam setups, you want to press on yes, you want to press on next, and you want to choose your language and you want to press on next. From here, you just want to press on install and Steam is going to start downloading on your computer. Once it's done downloading, you want to press on finish and Steam is going to start updating. It's going to take a while, so you just want to wait for Steam to update. How to download Steam on PC 2025. Once Steam is done updating, this is what you're going to see. From here, you just want to sign in onto your Steam account. How to download Steam on PC Windows 11. As you can see, Steam is now up and running on my computer for free. Here you can just press on any games that you want to download. There are free to play games, there are games that you could buy to play. So that's it for the video, guys. That's how you download Steam on your computer for free. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please join the Discord down in the description.